cheering, yelling, and screaming support for Johnny Depp, as has been the case for the last number of weeks. He had been winning this in the court of public opinion, it seemed obvious, online, social media, and as the verdicts were read, cheering outside the courthouse from a small group of people here today. We don't have the huge crowd that we've had for the past number of weeks because Depp is not here. He is in England. He's playing a number of concerts, and he has just released a statement, which I can read to you in part. It says, 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed, all in the blink of an eye. Then he goes on to say, and 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled. That is what Depp has always said this is about. It wasn't about money. It wasn't about vengeance. It was about trying to get his good name and reputation back because he vehemently denied the allegations that he was an abuser, that he had committed violent acts against Amber Heard. He admitted that he had problems with substances and abuse issues, but he wanted to make sure that it was clear that he did not do the things that Amber Heard alleged that he did. And he's been vindicated, I guess you could say, here today. So that from Depp. We heard a statement from Heard released as well. I don't have the quotes, but she's obviously disappointed by this and points out to the larger concern about what chilling effect this might have on other victims of domestic violence. The problem is that she has very little credibility and has had very little credibility throughout this whole process. Depp's case basically was, and they summed it up in one of their closing arguments, they said that she put on the performance of a lifetime on the stand, talking about all the harm that had come to her. And the jury apparently believed that, except in this one incident when they were talking about this incident at the penthouse where she called 911, and this was the comment made by Depp's lawyer about her, where the jury did find that Depp's lawyer had defamed her, and there was some money, some millions of compensation. But the bottom line, this is a huge victory for Johnny Depp. And people out here outside the courthouse are celebrating it. Again, we don't have the huge crowd that we have had. I'm sure at this point social media is exploding. I haven't had a chance to dive in there yet. But this is what people wanted based on what we were seeing online. And again, there's a lot out there. I hear a lot of advocates for victims of violence who are really concerned about what this could mean and how this could have a chilling effect going forward. But here now, Depp's folks are very happy. Jasmine?